Hello, this is Vikas. So in this video we are going to see what is inheritance, okay, what are the types of inheritance and how to use the inheritance. So basically what is the inheritance? So inheritance is the primary features of OOPS concept. OOPS stand for Object Oriented Programming Language. These are the primary features of OOPS concept language. Okay. So why we need to use the OOP concept? Okay. So means why we need to use the uh, why we need to use the inheritance concept? Because we reuse the existing code, or you can modify the existing code. So at that time we are going to see we are at that time we are going to learn we are going to learn inheritance. Okay, inheritance. Okay, so how to declare inheritance? Like this. Okay, so how to inheritance declare like how to declare inheritance? First class name is the base class name, and base class is derived into the child class. Okay, so here the structure, here the syntax to declaring the inheritance concept. Okay, okay, these are the structure of declaring inheritance. Okay, these are the structure of or syntax of declaring inheritance. So okay, the first is the access modifier, and then class name, and then base class name. Okay, and here the base class implementation. The base class implementation is nothing but the members, functions and methods, and here the same access modifier, the class keyword, and then derived class name and inherit with the colon. Okay, inherit with the colon and then base class name. Whenever I declare in like this, I can access the base class method as well as derived class method with the help of declaring a derived class object. Okay, so this video I am in this example I am implementing the inheritance. So okay, here I declare the one class. Okay, the class name is A, and here I again did declaring the second class. Okay, here I am going to declaring the second class. Okay, the class name is B. Okay, and what from where inheritance? From inherit from the A class, and again I creating the one another class. Okay, and C class inherited from the B class. Okay, inside B class inherited from the A class. Okay, and here I creating the object of C class. Okay, so it means what? It means I accessing the these methods or variable to using the this class name. Okay, inside this class I am using the these methods, parent method as well as child method. Again I declaring the another child method, another child class, and in that child class accessing the parent class method or super parent method. We can access the all the things. Okay, so in the first class I have declared the name, and that is get name. Okay, the names. Okay, and in the second class I declared the location. Okay, what is my locations? Okay, what are the location of users? Okay, and in the second class I declare the age of the users or age of the programmers. Whenever I creating the object of C class, okay, I accessing the A class members, okay, A class members. I also accessing the B class members and also accessing the C class member. These three access, how we access, with the help of inheritance. So whenever one class is inherited from the one class is inherited from the only one class, that type of inheritance called as single inheritance. If more than one base class, okay, and inherit only one class, that types of inheritance called as multi-level inheritance. Okay, here the two base class, this also base class and this also base class, and what are the child class name? Child class name is C. Okay, this type of this type of this type of inheritance is called as multi-level inheritance. Okay, so now I am executing the code, so see what will be the output here. Okay, so my project, my name is, my location is, and my age is, all the three things are showing with the help of I declaring the only this class object, and with the help of this class object I accessing the B class object, B class field also, and also A class field also. Okay, this type of inheritance called as multi-level inheritance. So how we achieve the multiple inheritance? We cannot accessing the multiple inheritance. Okay, how, what are the multiple inheritance? See, like I declaring the one class here. Okay, here I declaring the one class. Okay, the class name is public. Okay, public class abstract, sorry, class, and then I declaring the class. Okay, like this I declaring the class, and here from I just printing the public void display. I only just showing the log console dot write line. Okay, from D class. Okay, I want access the this method in this class. Okay, whenever I adding like this, it means I can add only one class. Okay, whenever I supporting or I am going to add the one more than one class as a base class, at that time it is showing me a compile time errors. Okay, what are the compile time errors? The errors is we cannot directly implement the multiple inheritance in the C sharp. Okay, we can, how to achieve multiple inheritance? We need to use the interface. Okay, with the help of interface we will solve this problem. Okay, so now we can't use the multiple inheritance in the C sharp. Okay, so these are the single inheritance as well as multi-level inheritance concept. Okay, thank you for the watching.